Today's commercial trucks are built with a mix of different brands, engines, transmissions, brakes, and electronics, each from a different OEM. Medium-duty trucks are no different, packed with proprietary systems that demand expensive OEM software. Aftermarket all-makes repair shops face the same uphill battle. This fragmentation forces fleets and independent shops to juggle multiple diagnostic programs, waste money on subscriptions, lose valuable time, and work with little to no real diagnostic training. The result? Slower repairs, higher costs, and constant inefficiency. With more diagnostic systems than ever, today's techs need one reliable solution, not multiple expensive OEM software programs that slow them down. They want a single platform that shows total vehicle health, pinpoints the real problem, and guides them from cause to troubleshooting to repair, all in one place. And that's where Jaltest changes the game. The Jaltest Commercial Vehicle Kit, brought to you by Triad Diagnostic Solutions, is an all-makes diagnostic platform built for commercial fleets and all-makes repair organizations. Dealer-level diagnostics for heavy-duty engines, transmissions, ABS, hydraulics, body controller, and full medium-duty coverage, plus built-in troubleshooting and repair information, all in one powerful tool. Centralize your diagnostics, reduce downtime, empower your technicians. With Jaltest through Triad Diagnostic Solutions, you get more than a tool. You get freedom to manage your fleet your way. Full diagnostic report from connection to disconnection, allowing technicians to record every detail of the repair process, including initial faults, diagnostic tests, guided repairs, and duration of work. Experience the power of Jaltest today. Schedule your one-on-one consultation with Triad Diagnostic Solutions. All makes, one solution, Jaltest Commercial Vehicle.